Lesson 1. Level B1. B1 plus. The conditionals. The first conditional and future time clauses. If, unless, as long as, provided that. Story 1.
Carlotta, 26 years old, Germany. Unless my boyfriend Philip and I make an effort to communicate with each other better, our relationship probably won't last much longer. I love him and don't want to break up with him, but it won't work as long as he keeps lying and hiding his real emotions from me. We both have been really busy lately, so we haven't had much time to talk. He has been hanging out with his friends more often than he's been going out with me. Has he been avoiding me? I'm confused. I need to be honest and tell him about my worries. Provided that he takes them seriously and wants to spend more time with me, I'll do everything I can to make things work. I know that I'm not perfect either, and I don't want to give up on this relationship yet. I've just decided that I can't stay quiet anymore. I'll talk to Philip this afternoon.
Story 2.
Max, 16 years old, USA. If I finish writing this stupid essay by midnight, I will pass my history class. History is definitely not my favorite subject. I suffer every time I have to sit in that classroom or do homework. I have 3 hours left to email the essay to my teacher, and I've only written 2 sentences so far. I know that I won't finish it unless I stop wasting time and get to work now. I've always been such a procrastinator. As long as I keep leaving things until the last minute, I'll never be able to relax. If I send the essay to the teacher and shut down my laptop before midnight, I'll feel so relieved. Alright, enough talking. Unless I start writing now, I'll miss the deadline for sure. As long as I focus and don't panic, I will be fine.
Story 3.
Elena, 37 years old, Spain. As long as I leave the house in the next 15 minutes, I will probably make it to the airport just in time for my flight to London. I have an important business meeting that starts in 4 hours, so I can't miss the flight. I'm stressed because the babysitter that I've hired to take care of my children isn't here yet. I've already called her 3 or 4 times, but she hasn't answered the phone. Unless she comes in less than 10 minutes, I'll have to take the kids with me or quickly drop them off at my best friend's house. Provided that she is not too busy with work this week, she will help me and look after them for a few days. I would prefer not to bother her, but I think I'll have to do it. Unless I hurry up, I'll definitely miss my flight. Right after my return from the business trip, I'll invite my friend for dinner to thank her for her help.
The end of Lesson 1.